Well, the good thing is the upgrade did work and I didn't blow a fuse. Stay tuned to actually see me replace and upgrade the SSD. Hello everyone, my name is Jutan Al Ahmed and today we're going to be upgrading the NVMe on my Dell Precision 5550 with the new 2TB hard drive from 512. So let me just get my tools. I've actually, as you can see, already taken the back off. That took a while. It's just something that took a while, so I didn't want to really put it in camera. But basically, I've already got a little tool set here, and this is the actual hard drive, the SSD, and this is the little tool that I was using. But let's take it off. Okay, so this is basically the back of the Dell. There's obviously the ports and stuff there. Gonna try to be delicate, but basically what it is, right? These are fans, obviously. The SSD drive is in here. The NVMe. I've already taken it out. It had a Samsung one in it, 512. But best practice, right, is to remove the battery power. The reason is because it could obviously damage everything, but that's best practice. It's mainly due to static and stuff. I didn't. The reason is I tried to pull it out and I felt like I'm damaging the wires, and I didn't want to continue doing that. So I'm literally removing it and replacing it, and hopefully we'll find out by the end of this video if the laptop is still functional or if I've broken it. And if I have broken it, we're gonna see a follow-up video of me smashing the laptop. Lol. Anyways, let's get this off. I need to wiggle it around a bit because basically this part here is latching onto this section here, and that's how you basically put it in. And just so you know, this was a little Phillips screw, as you can see. Hopefully you can see there. So a Phillips screw. But yeah, let's put the NVMe in now. So this is the NVMe. It's a Western Digital SN850X that I've purchased. You can watch my unboxing of this. But yeah, so let's see if it works and if I can put it in correctly. I'm just going to slide it in. I'm just going to put a bit of pressure. That was quite a bit of pressure I put there. I'm already starting to sweat because I'll show you why I'm starting to sweat. Let's close this, right? I'm going to show you the actual specifications of this laptop, and then maybe you'll understand why I'm sweating. The rest of this, I'm just going to speed up for you so I don't waste your time. And we'll go to the whole spec of this, why I'm doing this, and yeah. So it had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws in total, and then obviously I had to take it off. As you saw probably there, the fact that I did switch it on just to make sure that it's working. So yeah, you won't be seeing no video of me breaking it now. So as you can see, it's a Precision 5550 there. But yeah, so before I actually get into the nitty gritty, I just want to show you the specs of this laptop. And before I do that, let me just switch my mics, lol. There we go, lol. Anyways, so as you can see on my well, as you can see on the screen here now, this Dell Precision is a 15550 mobile workstation. Yeah, that's the price there. That's probably why why I was worried that I'm gonna break it. But anyways, it's Windows. It says Windows 10 Pro. Obviously, I'm gonna be having START9 operating system on here. The reason that I'm using this laptop rather than purchasing something from START9 is because of the fact that it's already got a good hardware in it, and I'm not using the laptop. So I thought, you know what? Let me just convert it. So it's got Intel. By the way, this laptop, the specs right here is the exact same as this laptop here. Intel Core i9 10885H, 8-core, 2.4 gigahertz, 64 gig RAM. That's what this does have. DDR4, and so this actually has a 2 terabyte SSD now, M.2, and the screen and stuff, yeah, that's great. The graphics card's not great, but that doesn't really matter. That's not the real purpose of this. But why am I using this for START9? Why am I using the START9 operating system? It's because it's made for like Bitcoin and all this crypto stuff. For example, I'm going to be having a Lightning node, as you can see, LND there for the Lightning node. These are some of the apps that you can get on their marketplace, and you can actually import your own apps as well. So they're very, very good. They're a sovereign company which basically wants you to own your own nodes and your assets and stuff. So it's very, very good. Anyways, Elect RS, which is the Rust server for Electrum. There's so many more here. One of the main things that I want to test, and this is all an experimental thing, right? The whole purpose of me doing this is because I actually want to use a BTCPay server. As you all already know, I've got my own merch on my website. If you didn't, you do now. And the link is here as well for you. But basically, BTCPay, I'm happy for everybody if they wanted to purchase any of my products on my website to pay with crypto assets, right? Bitcoin. So this is something that I'm going to be experimenting with and setting up myself. Right now, it's a bit of a manual process, whereas this will be much more easier. But yeah, so Mempool is actually interesting. Mempool basically allows you to use a blockchain explorer for Bitcoin and see everything on your own server. So it's very privacy related, this whole project that I'm testing out here. And where is the Bitcoin? There we go. So this is a Bitcoin core. This is the actual blockchain. So what I will be doing is download the whole blockchain. Last I checked, I think it was around 560 gigabytes, which is the whole blockchain right now. So this laptop itself should last me around 6-7 years, if I'll be honest, before it's completely full, which is a huge amount of time, right? So there's so many other different applications in here, and yeah, I'm just going to be testing stuff out. This will be obviously running on Tor, and that's just how it is. So the last thing I wanted to do was actually see if I can install the operating system of START9. So how am I doing this? Basically, I went onto START9's GitHub and I downloaded the .iso file and I've imaged it onto this USB. And I will be basically testing it to see if it works. So let me just quickly get an adapter, which I wasn't prepared for, lol. Voila, so a USB-A to a USB-C. This laptop only has USB-C ports, and that's why I'm going to be using this. So let's see. Let's see, lol. There's a lot of puns. Okay, Dell. Dell. This is taking a while, isn't it? It should basically automatically go. There we go. StartOS. Live system AMD. The highlighted entry will be executed automatically in 0 seconds. Enter boot E options. CMD line. Okay. It's booting already and it's basically going to do everything now. But yeah, so I'm just going to let that do what it needs to do. But yeah, so I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you do pop a thumbs up. And yeah, subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Let's not forget to comment down below if you've got a Bitcoin node. Let me know how you've set it up. And most likely some people are doing it with their Raspberry Pis and stuff. As I said, I had this lying around, so I thought, you know what, I might as well put use to it rather than depreciating in value over time. But anyways, lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.